Hi folks, welcome back to Blackbeard's Detailing YouTube channel. I'm Ross, and in this vlog we have this 911 Turbo in for our ceramic package. The general condition is pretty good for a car of its age. We've got some general swirling, as you can see, but all in, there's no huge big disasters on the paintwork which are going to cause any issues with what we are looking to do. So it's Monday, the car is in on the ramp. I was in working on Saturday and just decided to get ahead of the game with it and do the full decon on it. I took the bike down the road on the weekend and it was glorious weather. So I'm now back up and just about to get out my bike gear. Josh should be here kind of any minute and we can get stuck into this Porsche. So game plan for today is get the interior done. The wheels are getting whipped off it. They're going to get sent away to get refurbished. There's a couple of little marks on some of them, like there. The full undercarriage got steamed. The back section especially, there was just a wee bit of kind of just grime build up over the years. And obviously the engine sits kind of square bang right over past that back axle, so it was nice and easy to get that all sorted. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting stuck into this one. This is a third type of that generation 911 I've done, and they're always great to work on. The paint is beautiful, a little on the soft side, but great to work with. So yeah, we're going to get stuck into it and see what today brings. Okay, it's so warm I've resorted to shorts and t-shirt in here. It's not even gone 10 o'clock yet and it's already 22 degrees, so roasty toasty. Interior valet is all done. The paintwork condition report's also been done as well. As I pointed out, it looked in pretty good condition. However, we've got some areas where the paintwork is really thin, and also clocked there's a wee section just there that you can see where the lacquer's been struck through. The paint depths are kind of all about the place. The front end and driver's side have had a respray at some stage, and the sections which are shown as kind of original paint, the depths are all over the place. There's areas in the roof as well which are unbelievably thin around about this area and the top area, so some delicate work will be required when we're polishing them. There's not much work we'll be able to do on that area where it's already been struck through. But we'll be able to kind of get around that area and just basically work our magic really kind of really gently. But yeah, going to get it up now, get the wheels whipped off it. They're going to get picked up for 11:30, and after that we'll get the arches all deep cleaned, brakes deep cleaned, and then yeah, good progress so far. Well, that's the end of the first day with the 911. I've got pretty much the full front end polished, including the front bumper. We haven't got round to that wing yet. As you can see, the finish is astonishing now. Josh has been focusing on the back bumper, so all the kind of skinny sections along there have all been tackled with the smaller polishers, and as you've seen, the underside is all getting a lovely steam clean. It get properly steamed outside, the detergent going through, but there was wee sections inside that once it was lifted we just seen wee bits of grease and that were missed. So hit them with degreaser and then went over it with a brush and then steamed it, which to get that all nice and clean. Tomorrow morning we'll lano guard that just to protect it all. The arches all finished. The calipers have been deep cleaned and pre-coat and wiped and then ceramic coated. And yeah, we are done for the day. How hot is it?
Roasting.
Absolutely, aye, too warm, absolutely boiling. On the temperometer, we are up at about 25 degrees there. Obviously with no wind or anything, it's absolutely stifling. We have the fan on, but it's fighting a losing battle. But tomorrow, again, full day of polishing tomorrow. We'll get the roof, both sides to get finished in that front wing, and then yeah, we are very on target with this car, no hiccups or anything. So yeah, happy days, see you tomorrow. Well, we're midway through day 2 working on the Porsche. We've got the full passenger side done, full front end, half the roof and the back kind of face of the boot. Still got the spoiler and the engine lid to do. Yeah, we've just had a wee break there for lunch. Josh is currently working on this RS3, which is in just for a maintenance wash. It was previously coated a year or so ago, so it just comes in every now and again just for a little spruce up. And I'm underway with this, so hopefully get the polishing completely finished today, since I've got this side to finish, the one half of the roof in there. But it's proven pretty tricky. Multiple different pads, polish combos been used. It seems it's had some work done at different kind of times, so the paints that have been used are slightly different. A couple of thinning areas, an area there, there's another area just opposite of the mirror, pretty much just mirrored on, and some really soft paint, which was also really thinning along the bottom of that section of the door, just along there and there. Also have areas down in the low 60s along this section, so again that's going to prove quite troublesome when working on that. But just nice, slow, delicate progress, and just tickle the little scratches out. But yeah, it's looking good and good progress, and yeah, it's sometimes quite good to get a wee challenge in. It's not just pick a polish, work, you're having to switch and change and chop and change, and having to think a wee bit more about how you're going to tackle each panel, because things are have been done at different times. So yeah, it's looking great. It'll look absolutely fantastic when it's done. But I'm going to have my coffee, catching up on this weekend's Formula 1 on Channel 4, and yeah, we'll get cracked back onto the polishing. Well folks, that's the work all finished on this Porsche 911 Turbo. It was very challenging to work on. Some areas where the paint was unbelievably thin, but we managed to get a nice consistent finish all throughout the car. It says front end bumper bonnet has Degrease spray at some stage, so the texture's ever slightly so different, but it's a good colour match, so you would have to be looking at it, scrutinise it really closely to actually see any difference there. But the rest of the car is looking absolutely fantastic, probably better than it did when it left from factory. It's the 2 coatings put on it, and the customer got some happy news whilst the car was here that his daughter's gone into labour. So he has quickly packed a bag and darted off to Orkney, and this beautiful car is sitting with me for a good few days to basically just store it until the customer returns. So the wheels are back, they've been coated and put back on the car, and they look absolutely fantastic. They were refurbished by Pro Powder Coat and Coatbridge, and the rest of the car, all the finishing touches are all done. Done the interior for the customer as well, engine bay, a wee quick blast with the steam clean, dressed, front end, all that stuff's all done. So the only thing that's left to do is the plates get put back on the car, but when I know the customer's going to come and pick up the car, I'll whip plates on it. But yeah, it's looking absolutely gorgeous, so enjoy the beauty shots of this, and Josh and I are straight on to the next one.